There were 18 graduates at the alumni conference, which is 90% of the same year. How many people are graduates of the same year? So first things first, set up your equation. The 18 graduates makes up 90% of the same year. So 18 graduates is 90% of the same year. Okay, so the total of people during the same year is going to be right here, right? And we don't know how many that is, right? So we'll let the total equal x. Let x equal total graduating the same year. So it's 18 is means equals 90% of means times. We don't know what total of the same year is, so let's just equal x. Okay, so now in order to get x by itself, we have to get x alone. But before we do that, why don't we just go ahead and convert that percentage into a decimal? So if we're given 90%, let's try this over to the right. 90 is a whole number, so there's an imaginary decimal in the back. And the percent symbol really means dividing by 100, right? So divided by 100. When you divide by 100, any whole number, the imaginary decimal in the back gets shifted over twice. So the brand new number is 0.90. So I'm just going to replace this by 0.90 times x. Right? Go ahead on both sides and divide by 0.90 because you're undoing multiplication. Now x is going to be, so these are going to cancel out. X is going to be 18 divided by 0.90. So 18 divided by 0.90. Okay, now make sure that your divisor is a whole number. So if you move it over once, it's going to be 9.0. That's not a whole number. Move it over twice, it's going to be 90. Now, being that 18 is a whole number, there's going to be a decimal point in the back. So place decimal point right there. And then go ahead and shift it over 2 spots. 1, 1, 1, 2, right? So then it's going to be replace the place value holder zeros in empty swings, and then it's going to be 90 into 1,800. So 90 goes into 1 0 times, 90 goes into 18 0 times, 19 goes into 180 twice. So 90 times 2 is 180. 180 minus 180 is 0. Carry down the 0. 90 into 0 is 0 times. 0 times 90 is 0. So subtract. Get 0. No remainder. So x is equal to 20.